In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Pst file in Microsoft Outlook. If you've got a backup of your mail or you're moving to a new computer, importing a Pst file brings your emails, calendar, contacts, and more into your Outlook. Before we begin, make sure you're using the classic Outlook desktop app. Pst Import isn't fully supported in the newer web style preview, so if you don't see the options I mentioned, switch back to the classic desktop Outlook. With Outlook open, go to the top left and click File. On the left sidebar, choose Open Export, then click Import Export. This opens Outlook's Import and Export wizard, which will guide you through the process. In the wizard, select Import from another program or file, then click Next. This tells Outlook that you're bringing data in from an existing file rather than exporting or doing something else. Next, choose Outlook Data File.pst and click Next. A Pst file is Outlook's personal data file format, and this option ensures Outlook handles the structure correctly. Click Browse to locate your .pst file on your computer. Once you select it, you'll see choices for handling duplicates. Do not import duplicates keeps your current mailbox as is if items already exist. Allow duplicates to be created brings everything in, even if items are repeated. Replace duplicates with items imported overwrites existing items with what's in the Pst. If you're merging a known clean backup, replacing duplicates can keep things tidy if you're unsure. Not importing duplicates is often the safest. Click Next, and you'll see the folder tree inside the Pst. Select the top-level entry, which is usually your email address or Outlook data file. Make sure Include subfolders is checked so mail, calendar, contacts, and any nested folders all come in together. Then decide where to put the data. Importing into the current mailbox merges items into matching folders, while choosing a specific folder lets you drop everything into a particular place you select. When you're set, click Finish. Outlook will begin importing. Leave Outlook open and let it run. Larger Pst files can take a while. You'll see a small progress window, and when it closes, the import is complete. Afterward, expand your folder list and check your inbox, sent items, calendar, and contacts. If you chose to merge into the current mailbox, items will appear alongside what you already had. If you targeted a specific folder, you'll find the imported data there. If you don't see the Import-Export option at all, you're likely in the new Outlook preview. Switch to the classic desktop app and try again. That's it. You've imported your Pst file into Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.